The day begins with soft rain falling over the village. And today is all about the season of paddy cultivation. I'm stepping into the field to experience it. As you can see, the paddy plants are finally ready for cultivation, and this is the moment every farmer waits for during the monsoon season. Now it's time to carry them to the muddy fields and begin the real work of the cultivation. The women are carefully planting the paddy one by one, while the men prepare the muddy fields for cultivation. Everyone has their own role, and together the whole field slowly comes to life. The rain keeps disturbing them, but the work in the field never really stops. This is the true spirit of the village life during the roping season. The tractor is working hard to prepare the muddy soil for cultivation. The weather suddenly changed and now sunlight is shining beautifully across the fields. After all the rain, the clouds, the warm sunlight make the village looks even more alive. After hours of hard work, mud, rain and sunshine, everything is slowly coming together. The roping is almost finished and the fields are finally covered with green, fresh paddy plants. Thank you for joining the journey. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care.